Welcome back to TecTainmentHack. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of technology to bring you the 5 must-have tech gadgets for 2023. From cutting-edge innovations to everyday essentials, we've curated a list that will leave you in awe. So, let's get started. First up, we have the ultimate smart home assistant. This device is your personal assistant, ready to help you with tasks, answer questions, and control your smart home devices with just a few voice commands. With advanced AI capabilities, it's like having your very own digital sidekick. Next on our list are the futuristic augmented reality glasses. Imagine a world where information, games, and interactive experiences seamlessly blend with your surroundings. These glasses provide an immersive experience, whether you're exploring virtual worlds or getting real-time information overlaid on your daily activities. No tech gadget list would be complete without wireless earbuds. These compact and stylish earbuds offer an exceptional audio experience, complete with noise cancellation technology and a comfortable fit. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to seamless connectivity. On our list, we have the ever-evolving smartwatches. These stylish wearables go beyond just telling time. They track your fitness activities, monitor your health, and keep you connected with notifications and quick access to apps. It's like having a personal fitness coach and a mini computer on your wrist. Up next is a must-have accessory, the portable charger. Keep your devices powered up on the go with this compact and efficient gadget. With multiple charging ports and high-capacity batteries, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery again. And there you have it, our top 5 must-have tech gadgets for 2023. From smart home assistants to virtual reality headsets, these gadgets are shaping the future and transforming the way we live, work, and play. Which gadget caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TecTainmentHack for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.